So this is going to be the first video of my new channel. Basically, it's just to let you be part of my journey to become a profitable trader. I've been trading since 3 years now. But yeah, today I'm going to be reviewing a new prop firm by Cameron Foos. He's a pretty known trader. You guys can just check him out yourself and do your own research. I've seen some Instagram ads and some YouTube videos about it, so I checked it out myself. And I think it's quite interesting, so I'm just want to share you guys my experience with it. So it's called HydraFunding. What makes it a bit different towards the other prop firms, which is why I had a look into it, is because, well, first of all, it's just a one-phase evaluation, which means that you only have to do one test, basically. An FTO, for example, you have to do a 10% gain over a month, I think. And after you pass that, you have to do another test where you have to gain another 5% within a month. At HydraFunding, you only have to do one test where you have to gain 10% of your account size within no limit of time. So this is the second point. An FTO, for example, you only have 30 days to reach the target. And at HydraFunding, there's no time limit, which means that you guys don't have to be under pressure and making trades that are not worth it. So you just trade whenever you find something. You don't have any time pressure. Yeah, and what I forgot is that yes, there's no minimum trading days, but you have to trade at least one time per month, just to show that you have an active account. If you don't trade at one time per month, I think they close your account. Okay, let's check out the rules, which is also interesting. Step 1, yeah, choose your account size, that I will show you later. Step 2, don't violate the rules. You have a 4% max loss per day, which is a bit less than FTMO, for example, where you have a 5%. And the 5% max loss overall is also much less than the FTMO. In FTMO, you have a 10% loss limit overall, but since you have no time limit, you don't have the pressure to make trades, so you can just take smaller positions with smaller risks, which is basically what I'm going to be doing at HydraFunding now. For example, at FTMO, I used to risk 100 euros on my 10,000 euros account, and HydraFunding I would be risking 50 euros per trade on my 10,000 euro account, which I think there is no 10,000 euro account, but that was just an example. The smallest account size is 25k, and you have 50,000, 100,000, 200,000, and 500,000. And here you guys can see the one-time fees, which are 250 euros for the 25,000 euro account. Basically very similar to FTMO as well. You can also see the price of the other accounts here, and also the daily max loss percentage, how much that is in dollars of your account size. What's also important is the live profit split. For HydraFunding, it's 75%. It's a bit less than at FTMO. FTMO, I think it's 80%. So basically, if you make 1,000 euros, 750 goes to you, and 250 goes to HydraFunding. But you can withdraw whenever you want, which is also quite good. Let's see what else. I'm just gonna go really quick and show you guys how the interface looks. Okay, so this is how it looks like once you purchase the assessment. And sorry, I forgot to show you. So you choose, for example, the 25k account, click apply. Then you have to put your trading experience, the account sizes you have been trading with before. If it's the first time you're doing a challenge, you put your email address, and then you get to the next window where you see the price of the challenge was $250. There are 3 other options. For example, if you want to trade on the weekends, you have to pay another extra 10%. Double leverage, which is 25% extra, and stop loss not required, 10%. So every time you're placing a trade, the stop loss has to be there before. So I'm just going to show you again. This is how it looks like inside. You have here the green line, which is the profit target. The purple line is your equity. The orange line, the daily loss, and the red line, the total loss. And yeah, basically you have here an overview of your trades, the trades you have been doing. Here the trade I've been doing, which was a negative trade, was because I did not place a stop loss, and the trade was closed immediately. So always make sure you don't violate the rules. But it's just a soft breach, which means that your account will not be closed. It's basically just a trade. It's going to be closed immediately. What else is important to show? Just you have like a small overview, your statistics about your current equity, your win rate, which in this case is 88%, or yeah, profit factor, etc., etc. I'm trading here on my MetaTrader 5, and yeah, I will just keep you guys updated on how it's going. I'll try to make another update next week or in 2 weeks on how my account looks like. Hopefully I passed the challenge, so I can show you guys how to withdraw the money, etc. But just keep in mind it's a new platform, so I cannot recommend it yet, because I don't know if it's all working or how easy it is to withdraw the money, but I will keep you guys updated.